How to care for a polka dot plant. Fortunate is the gardener who lives within the boundaries of U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 10 and 11 and is looking for an attractive shade-tolerant plant. A polka dot plant, Hypoestes phyllostachya, is hardy in your winters, so you can grow it outdoors. The limited range, however, doesn't stop others from growing the charming plant, as it does well indoors too. Wherever you choose to grow it, the polka dot plant, with its white and pink freckled foliage, adds charm and requires only moderate care in return. Things you will need. Humidifier optional. 20-20-20 fertilizer. Measuring spoons. 1 gallon container. Horticultural oil spray. Spray bottle. Planting container optional. Sand optional. Step 1. Grow the polka dot plant in an area that receives indirect sunlight. The color of the foliage brightens with more sunlight, but direct sunday may burn it. Outdoors, a spot beneath a tree where it receives dappled sunlight works. Indoor growers have the best results by placing the polka dot plant 3 or 4 feet away from a window. If the plant's leaves curl, provide it with more shade. Step 2. Water the polka dot plant often enough to keep the soil slightly moist. Decrease the frequency of watering if the leaves turn yellow and fall from the plant. Water more often if the leaves fall without turning yellow. Step 3. Fertilize the outdoor-grown polka dot plant once a month during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer, such as 20-20-20. Use half teaspoon of the fertilizer, dissolved in 1 gallon of water, and pour it over the soil around the polka dot plant. Step 4. Feed the houseplant every 2 weeks with the same type of fertilizer, but dilute 1/4 teaspoon in 1 gallon of water and pour the solution over the soil. Step 5. Use your fingers to pinch ½ inch from the growing tips periodically throughout the season. This encourages the polka dot plant to produce lateral stems, which makes the plant bushier. Step 6. Inspect the pink plant occasionally for whiteflies, aphids, spider mites and scale. Isolate the infested plant from others to avoid spreading the pests and use your fingers to pinch out the infested parts of the plant. The least toxic remedy for these pests is horticultural oil spray. Dilute 1 1/4 tablespoon of the oil in 1 gallon of water and spray all parts of the plant, including the undersides of the leaves.